Since we did not get anything good so far, we will ask the
I will try
guy.
one to open, ha?
Okay.
One open, but because our senior citizen has to...
try one to open.
I have to open
What
one.
the fuck is wrong with you?
I don't know. Okay,
Look at his stance.
Yeah. Very manly. Yeah? Look at the smile.
Gago ka
He smile of a gay man.
Pag ako nakakuha ng Jordan yun, luluhod ka.
See?
What's wrong? Luluhod!
He wants me to kneel.
Neil. Is that the wife?
Yeah.
Oh, here.
Henderson.
Kobe.
Kobe na jersey. Paul Pierce.
Tyreek
Uy,
Evans.
doing good, ah.
Jordan Regal. Okay, you open. You finish.
Just a Saki. Oh no!
Gagong poke din yan, no?
That's his favorite.
Pakatas na sa ganda.
His favorite player now is Rodney Saki.
Yeah, Rodney Istaki, my ass.
Iverson.
Oh.
Samuel. Tom Chambers.
Oh, that guy.
Michael Jordan.
Michael
Auto.
Jordan.
Okay.
Base
This,
auto.
yeah, to Jordan.
Wow, parang...
Eric Gordon.
Okay na rin yun, ah.
Oh, nice one.
You finish off.
I have to hurry because the old guy has to fetch his wife.
Ano ba yun na?
Wait na tayo bumalik tapos.
Now I will get angry.
Sige.
McGrady.
Tangina, pinagmalaki pa yung McGrady.
Flynn. Pwede yan. Brandon Roy. Patrick Ewing. Stephen Curry. Ganda naman, ah.
T-Mac! Unggoy!
Pare, kanina pa yan, eh. Kaya pa tayo susunod,
Lenobe.
And a gold!
Last pack. It's not a good series, huh?
This one.
We've been 2 series bad for.
Yeah, the 09-10.
Hey, plastic.
Oh. Sorry, no retro. All Boston.
All Bulls.
Boston Bulls.
Yeah, yes. For Agent Zero. So we got
Okay,
nothing.
that was a Saki 0910 batch.
Yep.
We will see you again later for just a recap for whatever is left.
Okay.